Oh, there's a bit of dust on the camera. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. On today's video, I will be doing how I created these nails. Just something to do, something fun to do. And yeah, I really enjoy making YouTube videos now, so I can't wait to just create more for you. If the angles are bad, I'm sorry, I'll try and fix it. Just bear with me. So the first step that I'll be doing is I'll be gently pushing back my cuticles to expose the new growth on the nail plate. Now I'm taking my e-file, which I got from Kiara Sky, and I'll link all the stuff in the description box below. But I'm taking my e-file with my flame drill bit, using it at a speed of 4,000 RPMs to just loosen up the rest of the dead skin cells on my nail plate. So after that, I'm going to dust away all the dead skin so I can get a clear view of my cuticles. I'm going to take my cuticle nippers to gently nip off the dead skin. I'm only nipping off the dead skin here. So after that, I'm going to start applying my tips. I've already sized them up to my nails, and all the tips are a little bit too big for my fingers, which is fine. So I'm just going to have to file them down at the side walls to make sure they fit my natural nail from side wall to side wall, which will also help prevent lifting. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the reason why I have shiny nail beds is because I'm using a peel off base coat, because these nails will not be staying on for long. With this part, you just have to take your time, file your nails from side wall to make sure they fit your nail bed properly. So now I'm going in with my tip cutters and I'm cutting my nails down to my desired length. However, compared to the picture, these are a bit longer because I did want a lot more room for the dragon. And after I've trimmed my nails down, I'm going to take my nail file and just perfect the shape more, and also blend the tip into my natural nail. Now I'll be taking my size 10 acrylic brush from Glitterbells, and I'll be taking my acrylic powder called Birthday Suit from CJP, and I'll be applying that to my nail to create the nail structure. I'm sorry that my head keeps getting in the way, and sometimes the camera isn't focused in the video, and I'm very sorry for that. Also, for the acrylic application, I'm still learning how to get the perfect ratio from monomer to powder. And if anyone has any tips and tricks on how to do that, feel free to put it in the comments. That'd be much appreciated, because Your girl needs some help. I filed my nails off camera as it was really hard to file my nails on the camera as I kept going out of frame. So after that, I buffed my nails and now I've applied the Gel Bottle Extreme Shine Top Coat. Now I'm taking Brillbird's black gel, which is called Go 02, and I'm just going over the outline of my actual nail, but I'm bringing it in more than last time. It was a really thin black line on the picture, but I wanted it to be more thick. So I have no real tips for this, I'm just eyeballing it really. So I'll be using my last dragon as a reference picture because it's just easier for me to find. And why not? So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the dragon and I'm breaking it into pieces. So I'm going to focus on the head first, and then I'll be doing the body and so on and so on. This way I find it easier to focus because it can be a bit overwhelming when you've got such a detailed picture. I don't really know how to explain what I'm doing here, so I'm just going to let you all watch. I'd say my biggest tip to do nail art is to just focus and not rush yourself, because I find whenever I rush myself, I either forget to do something or it's not as sharp as I want it to be, it's not as clean as I want it to be. If you're still here in the video, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say that I really appreciate all of your support. And if you are still here, leave a dragon emoji in the comment section. I'm also going to do a shameless self-promo, so if you head over to my Instagram at JasmineGlow, I'm doing an offer for 25% off certain treatments, so if you go over to my page and check that out, you'll find out what it is. That is lasting until the 3rd of October, so don't miss out, guys. Now I'm taking my Extreme Shine Top Coat from the gel bottle again to just finish off the nails, and I've applied some cuticle oil, and now we've completed the nail look. So thank you all so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and leave me a suggestion in the comments of any other videos you'd like to see. Thank you guys.